Two soldiers were martyred. Viewers remember that this happened in separate encounters with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam district. Meanwhile, 6 terrorists were subsequently gunned down by the forces, while 4 others are believed to be in hiding. The back-to-back encounters began after security forces launched anti-terrorist operations based on specific information about the presence of terrorists at 2 separate places in the district. Meanwhile, we are getting in visuals on the screens coming in of where this encounter stands as of now. So these are the visuals coming in. The massive terror operation is continuing in Kulgam. At least 6 terrorists have been gunned down by the forces. Let's go ahead and play out the reactions coming in.
निस्संदेह ये एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है, बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्रेस है। सिक्योरिटी एनवायरनमेंट में मजबूती लाने के लिए ये सक्सेसेस बहुत मायने रखते हैं और एक सब्सटेंटिव तौर पे भी और एक मैसेजिंग के तौर पे भी ये इस चीज़ की इंडिकेशन है कि सिक्योरिटी आर्किटेक्चर की और लोगों का बढ़ चढ़कर इसमें ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस की जो फ्लो है उससे जाहिर होता है कि ये एक फाइट जो है वो लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचेगी और इसमें लगातार इस तरीके का सक्सेसेस आते रहेंगे और जो भी कोशिश होगा दूसरे साइड से, उन्होंने मजबूर हैं अपने कोशिशों से बाज नहीं आने का, पर हम अपनी सिस्टम को, अपना सिक्योरिटी आर्किटेक्चर जिसमें जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस, इंडियन आर्मी, एजेंसीज और सेंट्रल आर्म पुलिस फोर्सेस हैं, सब मिलकर और खासकर जैसे मैं बार बार जगह जगह पर कहता हूं कि आवामी सपोर्ट के साथ, लोगों के साथ इस चीज़ को हम जरूर जीतेंगे और हम ये समझते हैं कि लोगों का पीस में, शांति में और ज़्यादातर और लोगों का जान बचाने के लिए, इस अफरा तफरी को ख़त्म करने के लिए मेरे ख्याल में सब लोग इसमें शामिल हो रहे हैं और ये एक और जोर पकड़ रहा है।
All right, viewers, let's go straight across to my colleague Zeenath, who's joining us live. Zeenath, we have lost 2 soldiers. 2 soldiers have been martyred in these encounters. What is the situation right now? We also know that some terrorists could still be in hiding.
As far as this encounter is concerned, we all know very well that now the 6 terrorists have been neutralized, and the confirmation itself comes from the DGP of J&K Police, R.R. Swan. He also mentioned about the kind of operations that the Jammu and Kashmir Police have been doing to eliminate the terrorists on ground, and also he talked about the public support that the Jammu and Kashmir Police have been receiving. Although this was an operation that was, the int was generated by the intelligence agencies, which was shared with the executing agencies like Jammu and Kashmir Police along with Indian Army and other agencies, and it was executed since yesterday. The execution part is going on, where we see now the 6 terrorists have been neutralized. Sources within the forces do confirm that all the terrorists are the local terrorists who come from the homegrown terror outfit Hizbul Mujahideen. Similarly, some of the terrorists come from the TRF, which is a mouthpiece of Lashkar-e-Toiba, the Pak-based terror outfit. 3 AK-47, 1 pistol as of now have been recovered. Meanwhile, the encounter is still on because there are the reports that the more terrorists are trapped in this very encounter. The encounter takes place since yesterday. It is the Kulgam district in South Kashmir where the encounter is on. One of the sites where the encounter is on is Modrigam village and the Chinigam, where the terrorists have many good number have been neutralized. This is a success for the forces because we see back-to-back anti-terror operations in the Kashmir Valley from North Kashmir to the South Kashmir. The terrorists are being kept on run, and the way the castles have been launched, that gives a signal that they are trying to flush out the terrorists from their holes, and that is how these operations get they get the hint about the terrorist movement in these areas, and then the way it gets executed. Definitely a somber moment for the Indian Army because Army lost its 2 brave hearts last two Jawans, one from 1 RR and another from the 9 RR. The wreath-laying ceremony was carried at Badami Bagh Cantonment, which is the 15 Corps headquarters, where Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai paid tributes to the fallen soldiers. He was accompanied by his team, also by the DGP J&K Police with IG Kashmir VK Pridhi. So overall, this was seen as a good and a better terror operation that was carried by the joint forces. They were able to give blow to the terror outfits. These terrorists have been active for quite some time, but now again this encounter is still on. Let's see if more dead bodies they are able to retrieve, and they are able to kill more boys, because the information that surfaced yesterday was that around 8 terrorists are trapped, some 5 in Chenigam and the 3 in Mudrigam. So let's see if there are more more terrorists are neutralized. But overall, now the 6 bodies have been recovered, and out of 6, 4 have been identified who come from the local district, who come our locals and come from the Kulgam district itself, where the encounter was launched.